Okay friends, in this video let us discuss about activity number 3, that is map. Let's create a map for India. We are just going to use a data set showing state-wise data for India. To view the first 5 rows for the total confirmed cases, we are just going to call head function on the variable India underscore df. Okay, let me quickly do it for you. India underscore df dot head. Since it is a function, you need to use circular braces. Okay. See, this function will retrieve you by default the first 5 rows. Okay. You can see now here we are having first 5 rows as output. Right. If you want more number of rows, you can mention that specific number of rows inside the circular braces so that you can get that number of rows. Here I am giving 14 as a value, so 14 rows will be retrieved. Now we have discussed about head function. Next function is folium underscore map underscore with circles. So the main purpose of using the folium here is just for visualization purpose. You can see we are just going to enable the data set to be represented inside the map with circles. That is the use of this function. I will repeat it again. Folium is just used for visualization purpose. In order to visualize the data set inside the map with the circle, we are using this specific function called as folium underscore map underscore with underscore circles. Okay, hope so you understood. In this activity, we are just going to plot the details inside the country India. In your additional activities, US and world is given. Okay. And in the background style, we can give this 3 option. In your PDF, second option is given. Okay. And for a color, you can give this 5 types of color. Right. See, in your PDF, the color red is given. Let me quickly do it for you. Folium underscore map underscore with underscore circles is the function. Since it is a function, use circular braces. First parameter is name of the interviewer. Ask the name of the interviewer to be typed there. Okay. Using comma separator, you can give the country name within single quotes with the first letter as capital. Since India is the country, I am giving first letter I as capital, comma. So next parameter is your width of the map. I am giving 1200 as a value. Since that has been mentioned in a PDF, same values I am using. Next, you need to give the height. Height is 500 is a value I am giving. After giving the height, you need to mention left margin as well as top margin. Left margin is, say for example, 8, and right margin I am giving some 2. Okay. Then you have to represent background style. We are having 3 background style. You can use any of this background. I am using this Stemen terrain. I am just using it, Stemen space TERRAIN. Okay. Then using comma separator, you can give zooming value. Here I am just giving 4. Okay. Then you can give the color. I am using the same color that is in your PDF, red. Okay. After that, you can give the minimap. Here minimap has a boolean value, true or false. Since it is a boolean value, there is no need to representing it inside a code. Okay. If I am just giving it as true, minimap will appear, or else minimap won't appear. Okay. See, I am just giving false first, then I will give true. Now let's execute this code and see what will happen. Yes, we got the map. You can see map is obtained. Okay. See, the name that has been given by the interviewer will appear here and with the map with dots inside the country. Clear? See why we are having this much big circles inside our country? You know, in May, June, July and all, we are having less number of cases, but now it has been increased. So, we are having this much circle. Okay. And one more thing is, since we are given the value as false, there is no minimap that has been displayed here. Okay. Now, you can give true as a value and see what will happen. Just giving true. I'm just executing it. Let's see what will happen. Yes, we are having the minimap here. Okay. We are having the minimap. Right. If I am moving this, you can see there is a moment here. Okay. So this is what your folio map activity is. Let me quickly reduce the size so that we can scroll. Say for example, I am giving 300 and I am giving some 1000 value here so that we can give the map size. It will be reduced. You can see, we can see the minimap also here. If you want to see the map, minimap, it will be displayed here or else you can hide it. Okay. Okay. Now we have discussed about folio map. Then whatever the activities we have performed so far, we are just going to save our activity. Right. For that, we need to use a variable India underscore map. So this is the variable. Under this variable, we are just going to save the activity we have performed. Just a single line. You can copy this and paste it here. You can paste it here. Right. What is the meaning of that? I am just assigning the overall code to the variable called as India underscore map. Whatever the activity we have performed, I am just assigning the overall activity to the single variable. After that, you can perform the save operation. India underscore map dot save. Right. See, before executing it, I want to display you something. You can see there is no file inside the folder. You can see only two folders available. You did not see index.html here. Now, let me show the output after executing it. Where you need to save in the sense / content / index.html. You need to give it within the single quotes. Okay. So the meaning of that is we are just going to save the activity that we have performed inside the content available, that is inside the drive, right? We are having the folders. Okay. So inside our drive content index.html, our content will be stored under the file name called as index.html. Okay. Now after execution, you can see what will happen. Our activities are saved. Now I am opening the folder. You can see index.html has been created. Our activities are stored under this file, right? After saving this, you can share your activities to the friends and family. Okay. For that, you can download it. After successful downloading, you can open the file. Now your activity, whatever the activity you have performed, it has been opened in a new file. So this is what all about the activity number 3. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.